Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the e-voucher and a British Airways account. Now start the booking. Search for the exact flight you want and confirm it's eligible for voucher redemption, because not all fare types qualify. Once you select seats and extras, go straight to the payment page. Make sure to keep a payment card handy for any balance. This first action gets you into the redemption flow and prevents price or availability changes. So act now and lock in the flight before moving to voucher entry. Once on the payment screen, click Redeem e-voucher and carefully paste the voucher reference. Typos cause rejection. If the voucher doesn't cover the full fare, choose to apply it to taxes and fees or toward the total, then pay the balance with your card. Make sure fare rules allow combining with Avios or other discounts before attempting to apply them. If prompts ask for passenger passport data or billing address, complete them now so the system validates the voucher against the booking. Finish the payment and immediately save the booking reference and e-ticket PDF. You need these for changes. Once ticketed, check the voucher balance online and note expiry and non-transferable rules so you won't lose remaining value. If the voucher is rejected at payment, first clear your browser cache, try a different device, or retype the code. If it still fails, contact British Airways customer service with the voucher and booking reference. This troubleshooting tip resolves most issues quickly and keeps your reservation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.